Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Storybook Moments Specialty Designer Series paper, along with the Storybook Friends stamp set, and the Storybook Life Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. Okay, this is from the online scrapbooking brochure, this one. We're going to be using some of the designer series paper out of here. Yeah. Oh no, I have pieces of my card over here. Okay, so let's get to some card making, but first we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Inked Occasions paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards. Berry Burst is the Stampin' Spot. Hugs the Bloom Dies add-on for $12. That coordinates with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. That item number is 166238. I have a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. We have our host code here for the month. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our card. So we have a base here of Early Espresso, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and we have an inside of Basic Beige, and this is 3.5 by 4 3/4. I just want to see if this is going to fit. This is just a piece of scrap of designer series paper that I don't even know. It looks to be a little smaller than 1/4 of an inch, but a little more than 1/8. And we're just going to add a little bit of liquid glue on here and put this on right on the edge of our cardstock. Ooh. This is why I put the glue on the cardstock and not the designer series paper, and I forgot. So let me take my scissors, cut that extra off, and we're going to put some Stampin' Seal on the back of this. For a moment, I thought I was putting it on the front of the... Oh no, don't stick. So let's put this on the inside of our card base. And about right there. That'll do it. Oop. My little fuzzies. Okay. All this week, I'm going to try, let me say that. I'm going to try to bring you a video every day this week because I haven't been posting like I'm supposed to. So I figured I'm going to do a video every day this week, and it's all going to be using the same products. The Storybook Life Scrapbooking Workshop Kit, along with elements from the Storybook Moments Suite. This designer series paper here is 5 1/4 by 4. We're just going to place that right on our cardstock, on our card base. Then I have some more of this Early Espresso. This one is 4 3/8 by 3/8, and I'm going to layer some designer series paper on here. And this one is 3 by 4 1/4. So let's go ahead and put that on. Layer this up here with that small little border. You guys know I love a small border. Then we're gonna put this right in the middle of our card base. Let me put more glue around the edges. So I hope you enjoy this this week's card shares. All of my creations for this week. I'm going to be using the exact same pattern papers, maybe the front or the back, I don't know, but they're going to be all different designs. Okay, so now next, what do I want to do? Let's do some stamping. We only have a little bit of stamping to do. I have some old olive ink here, and I have a piece of Basic Beige. This is 1 3/4 by 3/4, and we're going to stamp Easter Greetings. So let's put this on here. Okay, let me see. I have another one. I want to do it a little more up than down. And that's why I cut out more than one piece, just in case I didn't do it the way I wanted the first time. Okay, that's better. That's more in the center. But that's what I want. Okay. So now we have a piece of not basic, but early espresso that is 1 7/8 by 7/8. And we're going to layer the sentiment onto that. Layer our basic beige onto our early espresso. We have a small little border there. Okay. Next, we are going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals, because I have a few of the ephemera elements from the Storybook Moments, the specialty DSP. So we're going to add these to our card. So let me put some dimensionals on the back. Okay. Such a cute little image. I love all these little critters. Just going to put that right here on the side. Then we're going to pop our sentiment up on dimensionals. I want to put 3 of those on here. And I want to put our sentiment about, let's say right there. Maybe right here. Yeah, I think I like it right there. Then we're going to add this right here. So I just need to cut a little piece of a dimensional. And I want to put it right down here. Put a little bit of glue up here. Let's see if we got this right. Then I'm going to add this right down here like so. Just like that. Okay. And now we're going to add our embellishments, the antique pearls. This is part of the Storybook Moments suite. So where's my take your pick tool? I'm going to add a couple of these pearls around. Let's do a small one there and a big one here. And how about one of these mediums about right there? Let's call that card done. Isn't that cute? Easter greetings. Oh no, did I? Oh, I pushed it up on this side. I was covering up my greeting. We can't do that. And there's our inside. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.